All right. It's your boy, boss up, baby. It's your boy, Credit K. We back with another great video, instructional video for all you bosses out there, everybody who has formed their LLC or thinking about getting their LLC in 2024. If you already got your LLC back 2020, 21, you benefited from all those great handouts and extra money floating around with the government. Now, the government wants to know who is behind these businesses, who has been getting all this money, and what's going on now. So in 2021, the government passed a act called the Corporate Transparency Act. So now in 2024, it is now in effect, and every business has to report some information to the government in order to stay relevant, in order to stay compliant and not get fined up to $20,000. All right. So this is some information you have to complete. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly the website. You've probably been seeing all over online, people saying, hey, you can go to jail if you have an LLC, but they're not really telling you what to do next. They're not telling you how to sign up, where to sign up at, and how to get your information reported so you won't get in trouble. But stay tuned to this video. I'm going to get you right there. But I got to give you some background information on why it's important to do this and what all you need. So to get registered, of course, you got to have your name of your business, whether it's a DBA or their professional name. Also, you need the business street address, the formation jurisdiction, whether it's a LLC, a S corp, a nonprofit. Just name that on there as well. So make sure you have all that, as well as your EIN number. If you're a business, if you've been in business for a while, you have all that written down in the checklist, saved on your phone. So that shouldn't be an issue. All right. So next, let you know what type of companies have to be reported. If your company employs less than 21 people, then you have to report. If you make less than $5 million, you have to report. And if you're in the U.S., you pretty much have to report. Some other companies that do not have to report, like I said, they have large employees or make a lot of money. Those companies are exempt. Usually, time they know those are big companies. They know who run them. They're public traded companies, so that's not an issue. The website you want to go to is FinCEN. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below. You see it's FINCEN. It's pretty much the financial crimes unit of the government. So the government has their own task force for financial crimes. With so much scamming and everything going on these days, it is a big deal. And so they're cracking down on a lot of terrorist money floating around. So that's what is all this about. This is what it's for. And then, so if you happen to be a beneficial owner of a business, so say you and your friend, or you and your spouse, you and your business partner own 50% of the business, own 25%. As long as you own 25% or more of the business, you have to be listed as the owner, as an owner in this act. So if you have a multi-partner LLC, or if you have partnerships and you own more than 25%, make sure that each of those partners are listed on that form. And then, like I said, what all you need is the company name, when the company was started, address, some other stuff like that. So now, like I said, it just started January 1st, 2024. So we already halfway through January. So it's already started. If you started your business before January 2024, you have up until January of next year to get this done. So you have 1 year to complete this. If you start your business today, this year, then you only have 90 days to do this. 90 days. If you did this today, you started your business in 2024, you only have 90 days to do this. So you need to get on it right away. And if you start your business next year in 2025, then they only give you 30 days to get it. So every year, I'm thinking that January, you probably gonna have to do this. Every year, it's going to be an ongoing thing. I'm going to help people with this form. So contact me We can go through it. You can book a consultation, and we can go through the form real quick and easy. It takes about 20 minutes. Go through it. I already have, and it's real straightforward, but some people may get caught up, especially if English is not your native language. Well, message me. I will help you out with it and get rolling, getting this filled out. Now, penalties, like I said, it's a $20,000 penalty fine or 2 years in jail. Yes, you can get 2 years in jail for not disclosing this information. So this is the Corporate Transparency Act we're talking about. Link down below to actually get to that screen, and that's what I'm going to show you the website. So stay tuned. All right, so now we are on the FinCEN Gov website. You see it, FinCEN.gov is the link, of course, link down in the description. So you come here, this is the beneficial ownership information. You see January 1st when they released it. There are now 7 registrations for the beneficial ownership information. Here's all the kind of the links they got going to this, but really all you got to do is just click this first one right at the top of the screen. Gonna break down everything, kind of what I told you before. If you're a new company, you got 90 days. If you're an older company, you got up to a year to complete this. And then here's all the information you need to get it completed. And here it is, how to report. FinCEN.gov/BOI for beneficial owner information. You can file a report here, create an ID. Everything you need to do for this is right here. Who else is showing you this information but me? And once you click here, you come to another website here. You can submit all this stuff here. Real simple PDF. Like I said, if you're having issues with this, I can do it for you. Just contact me, book a consultation, creditk.com, and we can get this done and completed. So you won't go to jail or have to pay a large fine. Okay? All right, man. I'm going to make this video longer than it needs to be. I showed you the direct links, how to get to them. If you need any help, drop a comment down below. And also just drop a comment down below. Let me know what type of business you're doing, what type of business you're interested in starting. And as we continue our 2024 mission to get a government contract, we want to make sure that our businesses are compliant and up to date and don't have any issues. All right. All right. Until next time, boss up, baby. This is going to be on the Credit K, Kevin Blackman channel and Boss Up channel. Hit the like and subscribe and follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Credit K. Later.